Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a quick breakfast item. It is vegetable cheese sandwich. It's very healthy, easy and quick to make. So before we get into the video, I would request you to subscribe and enable the bell icon. Do share with your friends and known people. Subscription is very important. Let's get into the video. Thank you. For sandwich, green chutney is very important. Let's see what are the requirements for it. 1 handful of coriander leaves, half of that is mint, half a teaspoon of jeera, 2 teaspoons of roasted gram, 3 chilies, 4 garlic cloves, the same amount we have to take ginger pieces, and half the lemon. Lemon we have to squeeze at the time of grinding. And on top of this we have to add asafoetida powder a pinch, and half a teaspoon of salt at the time of grinding. So now we have changed to a jar and squeezing half the lemon, a small amount of asafoetida powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Add a little water so that it gets grinded. And now we have grinded it. Let's see what are the requirements for arranging sandwich. Whichever the vegetable you are comfortable, you can take. I have taken cucumber and sliced this in this way so that it is easy to place on top of the bread. Same way tomato. And onion I have diced like this. And capsicum I have finely chopped. And butter. And cheese slices I have taken like a sheet so that I have to just place over the bread. If you don't have it, you can take the normal cheese and grate it and use it. Shouldn't be a problem. And chaat masala. Chaat masala is very important ingredient. And let's arrange the sandwich. First, our green chutney. Let's spread on all the 4 breads. For every spreading we have to use the chaat masala. And let's use the cucumber, first layer, and some capsicum, chaat masala, now onion, and then I'm placing the cheese and tomatoes, again capsicum, and then finally a bit of chaat masala. And now we are packing the sandwiches. So now sandwiches are finely packed. So now let's put it in the pan. So in the pan I have used the butter and spread it nicely. So once the pan heated up, you can put the pan in sim flame so that the bread don't get overcooked. So we just have to toast it both the sides. The butter is enough for it, and now it's ready. Yes. So our sandwich is ready. It goes well with the tomato sauce. Yes, it's ready. It's done.